So I got another project for my truck. I picked up a deck Bedslide, and I want to get that installed. Real simple project. I'm going to take it out. My son's down here going to help me. We're going to put it out here. We'll take it off the track system, and then I've got to locate where I put the rib nuts in there, get those installed, and then bolt it down, and we'll put the track or the bed back in. So we'll bring you along while we walk through this. For first few minutes here, it's just going to be unload and kind of tear apart the deck slide. So we'll put you on time lapse. I got to take some measurements, and it takes 6 of these. Well, I think they're 1/2 inch. Yeah, 1/2 inch bolts. But I got to drill for these rib nuts here, and I don't really have the special tool to, I guess, crimp these down. But I just kind of put a washer in there and an extra nut, and see if I can make that work. But first thing first, you just got to pull some measurements and make some marks and drill them. I got this white marker that will help me with that. Like I said, it's real bad lighting in here, so I'm just going to kind of walk you through it. This is the track for the bed, and I thought you probably could put the bolts in the track themselves, but I can tell there's cross members. There's 3 cross members in here. I can tell. I bought this used off the Facebook Marketplace. I try not to buy anything new, but this guy had them in these cross members, 2 in each one. And that bed only, I think the weight limit is on it is 1,500. I'm sure you could probably put more. But yeah, 6 of these 1/2 inch grade 5 bolts, that'll hold more than 1,500. So let's mark these holes.
Hey everyone, so I'm not going to give any specific instructions here just because everybody's truck is a little bit different. I would just say go to their website, and I think they have a calculator that you can actually put in your year, make, and model, and it's just decked.com. If you have any specific questions, please put it in the comments and I'll try to answer them.
Alright, I got the bed slide all installed. I forgot to hit record, but essentially I just installed the 6 rib nuts. I had to drill out the hole. I think it called for a 29/64. Yeah, it was 29/64. So I went ahead and kind of worked my way up to that, even though this, you know how automotive sheet metal is to get through. So I will say, if you go to install this yourself, second set of hands, preferably strong hands, strong arms is most helpful. I was able to slide it in and out just fine, but I had to actually take it out. And with these, you gotta kind of like cabinet drawers or whatever, you lift at the very end, and yeah, that's pretty heavy. So yeah, just get a second pair of strong arms, back, strong body. But I did forget to record. I'll just show you now. I already kind of have some stuff on it. So this is just stuff I had to bring back up to the garage, but you'll get the idea. This has 3 or 4 different detents, and I'll just walk you through. So there's one. It just automatically engages. There's 2. If you go too fast, you will go past it. There's 3. I think there's 1 more. Yeah, that's fully engaged. Can't go any further. That's pretty sweet. So just to give you an idea, from the bed itself, we'll just say, I think it's about, yeah, it's just under 6 foot. So you only got, yeah, two feet in there. Now you do have this kind of in the way, but I plan to build some toolboxes, kind of take advantage of this T-track here. I want one here and then one back here, which is a little bit higher with the drawer coming out. So teaser, future video. I already got my aluminum and everything. Just to take advantage of the voids in front and behind the wheel well, and to have some storage on the side, just in case I want to throw compressors and welders and whatnot up on here. So yeah, I got this on Facebook Marketplace for 600 bucks. I installed it myself. I just ordered a package of rib nuts, and I would say total installation, I did break one rib nut, so I had to replace that under 2 hours. So, and I did have my son help me, so that was definitely helpful. But I vacuumed out my truck, I vacuumed this, I cleaned that, so that included that as well. So maybe an hour and a half. So yeah, hopefully this was helpful to somebody out there. It's very nice having this in an 8-foot bed, especially. And my truck is a little bit higher than stock trucks. Not much. I don't really have a lift on it. I just got bigger tires. Just a nicer ride. Anyways, that's the decked 1500 model. I got it used. It's fairly new though. It's aluminum, and this is like plastic coating on top. And that's installed about an hour and a half. Total cleanup, 2 hours. And yeah, I don't know really what else to say. Like I said, hopefully somebody out there found this useful. Appreciate y'all watching, and I'll definitely bring y'all back when I go to make these toolboxes. I'm thinking some brackets here, just maybe 45s to help support it, a T-track here. Yeah, we'll just kind of figure it out together. So I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.